Hey guys, how's it going? I'm going to be doing another unboxing video here of another bolt action series miniatures from Warlord Games. I picked up this Waffen SS box and this US Infantry mid to late war for both on eBay as sort of a bundle deal for an auction, and I just got them today. I'm just going to open them up here. I've just taken them out of the plastic and what they shipped in. We'll just take a look here at the box art on the front. You can see right here at the bottom it says the time periods it's most suitable for your gaming. Flip around on the back. You can see some of the paint schemes, how they'll hopefully turn out when they're done. Back to the front, there's 30 in here. Let's open it up. Let's see what I can pull out here one at a time with one hand. You know what? Bear with me. Sprues. Something fell on the floor. More sprues. Sheet. Alright, box is empty. So here are all our sprues for all our guys. I'm gonna let's take one of them at a time here so you can see. Get them on the light here. So you can see we've got some ammunition pouches, some different heads, arms, different weapons. There's an MP40, an STG-44, another Sturmgewehr, K98, your Panzerfaust, kneeling position, standing, movement. Here's an MG42. So these guys have a lot of bits and pieces. You really have a lot of variation here. Here's a Gewehr 43. So, and then here's you also have the option for the fez hats for the SS. This guy's got a lot of, flip it around here. He's got some scrim camo up there. Grab another one and see if there's any difference. I imagine they're probably all pretty much the same. Now these ones look like just regular infantry. Yep, that one's the same. And then we also have some bases. So this one does come with bases. My French Napoleonic Voltaire kit did not come with bases, so this is nice. I like the individual bases with the bolt action with World War II miniatures. And then here we have our sprue content sheet. As you can see, they're all the same sprue. I probably should have looked at this first. Save me the trouble. It gives you some information, and we have the who it was packed by. And then there's a decal sheet that's in there too with that. So we've got all our different ranks, different eagles, different illegible cuff titles, some tank destruction badges. These red ones here are for the Panzerfaust, and the ones next to them. And you can see these guys right here have the Fez, or the 13th Mountain Division Handschar Division in the Balkans. And then over here you can see some more variation. So if you want to go with the 13th Mountain, the SS 13th Mountain Division, you've got that option with those Fez helmets, or Fez hats, excuse me. So that was the SS kit. Now we'll take a look at this US Infantry. Again, we've got the box art on the front here. Again, mid to late war, 30 plastic miniatures. Flip on the back. Take a look at some of the poses you can make. Looks like it's going to come with a decal sheet as well. I'm going to open this. Let's pull out one sprue. take a look at what we've got here. That looks like it's upside down. Alright. We got helmets. This guy's got goggles. Some with helmet nets, some without. Canteens with a fighting knife. There's a Mazette bag. Your GI packs. Some with shovels, some without shovels. There's your M1 Garand, some arms. I'm guessing there's a hand that goes with that arm somewhere. Well, I'm sure it's floating around here somewhere. Some ammo pouches. He's got an M1 carbine. The detail on these are really nice. Even with the, come on, focus. There you go. You see the canvas leggings, the 41 jackets, and the field gear. There's a slung carbine. Even got a trench gun. Here's the pack for the bazooka rounds. There's the bazooka. Here's some hands. This guy's got a bazooka round ready to go. Here's your Tommy gun. Some bandoliers. Some grenades, shovels. That must be the hand, the missing hand with the 45 with the Colt in it. Set that back up to the side. Yeah, these are all all the same. We've got bases. For some reason I've got this extra set of bases. Alright, there's 30 there, so that makes up 30 bases. And then we've got our sheet telling you exactly what you have, and then here's your legend for your sprue. And then on the back you can see there's the decal sheet. You've got 1st Infantry Division, Big Red 1. You've got some arm flags, Sergeant Corporal, PFC, Technical Corporal, Technical Sergeant, all these 1st Sergeant stripes, some officer insignia, some medic insignia, medic bands, even some MP bands. And then again, some of the variations you can see. This one, you can really make out that first ID patch on the side. That's nice they throw those decals in. I imagine trying to paint that on there with these 28mm would be kind of difficult. There's another one again. So there you have it, the U.S. Infantry box set and the Waffen SS Grenadiers from Warlord Games. Stay tuned. I'm still in the process of painting my Napoleonic miniatures. This was sort of an impulse opportunity buy, but stay posted and see you around.